I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the iPhone to your Mac and unlocking it. This establishes a secure session. Once done, choose Finder or iTunes on older Mac OS because backups live there. Selecting the device shows available backups and their dates. Make sure you know whether the backup is encrypted, since that requires a password. You should also verify the Mac isn't sleeping and that cables are fully seated. This prevents mid-restore interruptions that corrupt data. You now initiate the restore. In Finder or iTunes, choose Restore Backup and select the exact backup snapshot because older snapshots can overwrite newer content. Once you hit Restore, enter the encryption password if prompted that unlocks saved passwords and health data. You'll see a progress bar and file transfer indicators. Let the Mac complete the operation. Make sure the iPhone remains awake and plugged in, and avoid running heavy tasks on the Mac that could throw. You finish when the iPhone restarts and shows the welcome or home screen. At that point, it's still syncing in the background, so sign back into Apple ID and re-enable Face/Touch ID where asked. After apps and media reappear, verify key data like messages and photos to confirm success. If something fails, try the simple troubleshooting steps. Restart both devices, use an alternate cable or USB port, or choose a different backup. These steps fix most common restore interruptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.